Hola amigos, welcome to Forbidden Alley. If you are new, you need to join the crew, hashtag Unique Squad, all the way through. Today in this video, I'll be doing must-have mobile apps. These are apps that you just have to have on your mobile device. These are ranging from social media apps to photo editing, video editing, and overall just entertainment and games. 500 subscribers. As we should. We rise. Road to 1K. Thank you so much for the support. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It will be on the screen and also linked below in the description box. Without further ado, let's just get right. The first category is social media. The first is YouTube. You are watching this on YouTube, so that just tells you something. Good for entertaining videos, informational videos. I'm sure you type how to do something on YouTube and you most likely get the answer. Like make videos as I'm doing right now. I'm sure everybody knows Instagram, great for entertaining videos, photos, and also to promote your brand, your business. It's a great platform. Next, we have TikTok. TikTok is great just to like take a break. They have really entertaining and funny videos, especially in this pandemic, y'all. It's just, hopefully things get better, but right now as it is, we just need some laughter and some joy in our life, especially since I know most of us are at home. Pinterest. Normally when I think of Pinterest, I'm getting like pin boards, vision boards, or just inspirational quotes / like designs, clothing wear. That's what it's basically about, inspiration. Facebook. This is more on the older side, but it's just as good. You can look up churches, see how their church services are, or just to communicate with other relatives and friends. This is for having filters on the spot when taking photos. Great, and then you can also do videos with the filters. Right now, I know like it's updated and they have some really nice filters that other users have created. And lastly, I wouldn't really categorize this as social media in the same form as YouTube and Instagram. This is a great medium to communicate with your contacts. You can view their statuses and directly message them. And also do video calls. Next category is photo editing. First we have Lightroom. This is kind of similar to like Adobe, Photoshop and stuff like that. Next is Airbrush. Airbrush is great for touching up to your facial features or just your skin features. If you took a picture and you didn't know that there was a black mark on your forehead, you can easily remove that. If you have font, so font is pretty basic. It's just adding text to photos. You can add cool text effects like curves. Photo grid, great for collages. When I think of photo grid, grid in itself is a collage, so you would think more of the collage side. And last but not least, my personal favorite, PixArt. This is more complex. It has amazing features. The next category is games. First one, 4Pix1 word. This is a well-known one. You have 4 pictures and it's all related to one word. This is what online and offline. Word find. My previous video, we played a game similar to this word snap. They give you letters and you have to form words with the letters. Trackball. Entertaining one. It's kind of addictive. Basically, you have this ball and then you have to go down on the colors. You can't go on the black one or else your ball will die and then you have to start over from scratch. Cannot tell. This one's also a well-known one. It's a black rectangle on it. You can't press the white part or else you're gonna have to start over, and it's really cool. You have nice songs you can play to. Roblox, you have the game in itself and then there are other games in it such as hide and seek, Doomspare, Meep City. It's a really nice gaming platform. We have Google Play games, Snake One. I think you have Pac-Man on it. I haven't played it in a while, but you have different games within it. Videos, this one's a short category. You have InShot. I made a video on that. It'll be in the iCard as well as linked in the description. So I have found a screen recorder that doesn't really have any ads. Like I barely get any ads and it doesn't have any watermark. It's just called screen recorder. And lastly in this category we have VLO. Has really cool features. You can do Kensberg, which is like where you zoom in like right now, or you can zoom out. And the last category is school. I decided to leave this one last because we all have to do school, so we're pretty used to these apps. Google Classroom, we use every day to log onto our classes. Google Meet to log into our live classes. Also Zoom for more external events. Brainly, this is great for doing homework, tips, etc., as well as photomat. This isn't really like 100% accurate, but you can take pictures and it will solve the equation for you, as well as give you an explanation to how they receive the answer. Definitely check out my homework tips and tricks video, which will be in the iCard as well as the description box, where I give you guys different tips on sites, you know, apps. The Google Docs, Google Slides. Google Docs for documents, writing, like research, stuff like that, and Google Slides is more for presentations. And if you are not really a Google fan, you can use Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. These are great softwares. I feel like in some areas Microsoft does have more complex features. They're both really good and powerful softwares to use, and they're very helpful in terms of doing schoolwork. This is giving very much meow. Hope this was very helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.